yes. Early congratulations are in order for the new Premier League Clubs Association and especially Chairman, Mr. Christopher Williams, who is now well on his way to be nominated by the Maverick as a national hero. I mean, within a matter of days, announcing 1 sponsor, 2 sponsors, 3 sponsors, 4 sponsors, 5 sponsors, with even more sponsors in the pipeline. Of course, we don't know the exact amount and the terms attached to these sponsorship deals, but in these times of COVID, any product that can attract multiple sponsors, that is a massive thing. So well done. The problem is though, we have all these sponsors rolling out and others lining up, and we don't have no league. Yes. Not only do we not have a league, we don't know when we're going to have that league. So I am wondering, is it that the Premier League is a hotter property when the ball now play? Or is it that there will be much more sponsors coming on board if and when the league starts? I mean, we had an active Premier League for so many years crying out for sponsorship. And now, for the first time in decades, the league is suspended indefinitely. And sponsor are dropped from the sky. This is magic, Mr. Williams. This is magic. Keep it up. Keep it up, my boss. You're in like the national hero. Yes.